God be praised. We have a quest. Find the Grail.
The quail.
What? No, the Grail. The vessel used at the Last Supper.
There's a boat at the Last Supper. Was it a sort of dinner cruise?
No. The Grail's a cup.
A cup.
Yes.
God the all-knowing and all-powerful has misplaced a cup.
Apparently.
It doesn't seem very probable. If God is all-knowing, surely he must know where it is.
He could buy a new cup.
Surely
No,
he
it's
must
not
know.
about a missing mug. We have to search for the Grail inside ourselves.
Somebody swallowed it.
Nobody swallowed it, Robin. It's a symbol.
Ha! Symbol, get it?
Well, this play is Spamalot, and it is a musical version of Monty Python's The Holy Grail, which is sort of this humorous retelling of, well, one of the many, I suppose, adventures of King Arthur and his Knights of the Round Table, except in this one, everything goes horribly, horribly wrong.
And then, of course, it's a musical. What happens if things went wrong for Arthur with songs?
We're stuck in a nasty position. Why don't you take us to a mission? Have a drink, have a pee. We'll be back for Act 3.
2, sir.
2. Run away.
Yeah, I always think about the students that you have, and I have been fortunate enough to have some of them for 3 years, and they are also really big Spamalot fans and Monty Python fans, and they actually asked if they could do the show because they are such big fans, and I said yes, because I knew they would do a good job.
I love Monty Python so much. All of the jokes, all of the humor. And then when audition time came, I asked, could I be King Arthur? And so it was.
Whoa there! Well done, Patsy.
Patsy is a real homie, okay? He is Arthur's right-hand man. He's got coconuts, and he bangs them together because Arthur can't really afford a horse. So, you know, he's always there for him. He's by his side all the time. When he cries, he pats his back and he sings a happy song called Bright Side of Life. It makes him feel better, apparently.
Always look on the bright side of life. Always look on the bright side of life.
Patsy was never actually my choice, but I'm glad I got the role. I think Tokarsky is, a genius, and for him to give me Patsy, what an honor.
Whoa! You there, old woman.
Man.
Sorry. Whose castle is this?
I'm 27.
What?
I'm not old.
Well, I can't just call you man.
Well, you could say Dennis.
But I didn't know you were called Dennis.
Well, you didn't bother to ask, did you?
So Galahad in the play here is originally a mud shoveler, something like that. He gets transformed into Sir Galahad by the Lady of the Lake. I get to wear this awesome wig. It's perfect.
Once in every show, there comes a song like this. It starts off soft and low and ends up with a kiss. Oh, where is the song that goes like this?
So this year, musical theater was an after-school thing, so we had 3 rehearsals a week, and then closer to the show we ended up having 4 rehearsals a week. So it is a commitment. You have to commit to being here, and you can't really have any other after-school activities, but I really find it fun to be here after school because it's kind of just you, and you just get to hang out with your drama friends, and it was a really fun time.
I'm not dead yet. I can dance, I can sit, but I'm not dead yet. I'm not dead yet. Need to go to bed. No need to call the doctor because I'm not yet dead.
Well, Tokarsky chose me for Not Dead Fred because he was like, she's all over the place. Let's pick her for this role. And then, well, for ensemble, you just do everything that the ensemble does. I was very quickly accepted. They latched onto me, and I'm like, oh, this is happening now. So, yeah, but I liked it, so that's good.
Crisis averted.
Tokarsky 10 years ago came here, and this was a white room. and he turned it into a theater, which is really amazing. So we have a full light system, we have a tech booth, we have a costume room, now we have a balcony, all courtesy of Tokarsky. Yes, it's just a room, but it's so much more, and it's so cool to see how we go from just having this room and, you know, rehearsing in it, and all of a sudden in like the span of a week it becomes a theater, and it's really fun.
My favorite part of having a smaller stage like this is being closer to the audience, because with big stages and stuff like that, it's hard to carry your voice across and interact with them as much. But with this sort of close audience, you can just be right near them and you can just give them like the crazy eyes or something like that. And you get to watch them respond to you, and it's awesome.
We really like this space. The kids love it because they take ownership of it. They do everything. They do all the lights, they hang the sound equipment, they build the set, they learn all of the pieces that are available to them in a proper professional theater space. And it's actually a really good representation of a kind of a theater space that they might work in after they graduate.
In any showbiz venture, from Shakespeare down to Keats, if you want to be successful, you must put bums in seats. So listen, Arthur darling, or we won't get very far. You won't succeed on Broadway if you haven't got a star.
What?
If you just want to be yourself and you want to open up, this is a great place to be. No one judges here. It's just so open. You have fun every day. And I just really love the drama program because I feel if I'm having a bad day or anything, I can just come in here and instantly be boosted up. So I really suggest people give it a try. Even if it's not really your thing, like give it a try and see, because it could become your thing.
I can say from experience that the people that you meet in this room are unlike any others that you'll ever meet in any school setting. And all the classes that I've had in high school, junior high, elementary, it doesn't really matter. I've had my favorite memories here in this room with every other person I performed with. Pretty much everyone I've met here is some of my favorite people, and I hope I don't forget them. I won't forget them.
Stop that bloody singing already! No!
Parkland School Division, where the world opens up.